And it's not just Idaho.
It's not just Idaho. Can you use the word isthmus in a sentence? This must be my lucky day. We'll pass that one up. It's a Hurricane High Gravity 8.1 Street Side Mullet video. Welcome. Welcome, my name's Telcom. Telcom Powder. Let me kick this sucker back, Jack. That shit is whack. Kick this sucker back, it's so whack. Kick it back, it's so whack. My name is Jack. And I got a big back. My back is so big they call it Big Back. And that shit is whack because it's such a big back and it's full of slack. Got bike tires on it like tracks. Man, I didn't bring hardly shit for fucking food, dude. All I got is oatmeal fucking cream cocksucking pies, banana with no caramel. Forgot the basket of chicken I was gonna bring up on it. So it looks like it's not going to be a whole hell of a lot. It's not going to be a whole hell of a lot. Except Malt Liquor. Because it's all I got. Street Side Malt Liquor video, Hurricane High Gravity 8.1. Have no fear. Some banana.
So let me change gears because I want to look at the other side of this. We're paying a lot of attention, as we should, to states that have banned abortion. But some other states are going in another direction, moving to make access.
Supreme Court, man, what a fucking bunch of idiots.
Abortion was heavily regulated for years, even while it was the law of the land. So some states like Michigan, Colorado, Minnesota, California, and others have made moves to undo some of those regulations. So to give you an idea, they're getting rid of things like waiting periods and gestational limits. They're allowing more types of providers, like nurse practitioners, for instance, to provide abortions. They're training more providers on abortions. Some states have stockpiled mifepristone, one of the medicines that can be used for abortion in case access.
Gotta keep an eye out for situations like this.
New York City, they've made abortion funds part of the health department. So you can call a number and find out where to get an abortion.
Keep an eye out.
Get funding to cover the costs.
Okay, let's go to how all this may play out in the election. Where is abortion actually on the ballot this year?
So far, voters will be weighing in on the right to an abortion in 4 states: Colorado, Florida, Maryland, and
well, it's back on the weight gain program. I'm trying to move fast on this one. I'm not going to shave until I gain 400 pounds. And I'm not going to hide the gray hairs either.
Voters in 6 states have weighed in on constitutional amendments on abortion. Voters chose access to abortion each time.
I'm hoping by July.
Selena,
my birthday's coming up.
Again, and the Supreme Court.
I can't remember exactly what day.
There are 2 major decisions on abortion.
But Chelsea and Alexis Eldridge are going to be
next month.
Some park.
Right. So the first case is about the abortion.
I think in Minneapolis, maybe it's New York.
This drug for the whole country and change access
$30 a ticket. Meet them broads from New York. New York. Idaho.
It's a fight over whether federal or state law should have priority. The oral
Anyway,
argument was really unsure about how this.
I'll be there in spirit if I'm not being there for real.
So regardless of what the justices decide, it's going to catapult abortion back into the headlines at a key time for voters.
I mean, if I'm going to fucking New York,
Selena Simmons, definitely thanks to you.
Thank you.
to make some shit happen. I go to New York, I might as well stay there. Well, I'm not
post
I don't really want to go
they
there.
were pushing for and where they disagree. That's on the show tomorrow.
I really don't.
This is All Things Considered from NPR News.
There's nothing in New York for me.
Wisconsin Public Radio. It's 4:18. I'm Brady Carlson.
New
Thanks for
York.
being with us. We have much more still ahead in this hour of All Things Considered. Authorities in the
Heard
Democratic
shit from me
Republic
anyway,
of
really.
Congo say that they've stopped an attempted coup.
Except Mont Liquor.
They also say
Wherever
that
Mont
some
Liquor
of
is,
the
that's
people
where
who
I
are
go.
trying to overthrow the country's government were Americans. We'll find out the latest details on that story in about 15 minutes.
Support for WPR comes from Olbrich Botanical Gardens. Home to 16 acres of Midwest Hardy display gardens.
Damn, that's
Located
good.
at 3330 Atwood Avenue in Madison. Open daily from 10 to 6.
I just had a dentist appointment.
Wisconsin Public Radio influences of the day's news. From
That's what I
headlines to
fucking thought it
investigative
was.
reporting, you can count on
Damn that fuck.
National, international, and Wisconsin news. Listen on air and online at WPR.org.
Marijuana could be less heavily regulated in a proposed change
Thank
to
God for
federal
that.
rules.
A
Fucking-
Wisconsin lawmaker has been working to legalize marijuana
Fuck
in
Trump.
the state. On
Fuck
Wisconsin
Putin.
Today, she tells us what that federal rule change could mean.
Plus, a Wisconsin Legal Project shares their work helping people get medical assistance even when no was the first answer.
That's coming up at 9 in the morning on Wisconsin Today.
Wisconsin weather includes more rain showers and thunderstorms. Parts of southern Wisconsin could mean strong to even severe storms. Tonight we'll see more cloud showers and maybe more storms. Those in the 50s.
I hope we get some storms.
Rain, showers, and thunderstorms.
Stormy
Some places
Daniels.
see periods of heavy rain at times tomorrow, with highs around 70 to 80 degrees. Wednesday, maybe a little more rain, but not nearly as much as what we've been seeing today.
Well, this motherfucker driving right up a one way. Without a care in the fucking world.
Support for NPR comes from this station and from Bank of America, offering access to resources and digital tools designed
Texas,
to
too,
help
of all
local to global
places.
companies make moves for their businesses. Learn more at bankofamerica.com
Right.
/banking for business.
What's the matter with you?
Designed to be an end-to-end hiring solution for businesses of all sizes to interview and hire candidates all from one platform. Learn more at
Idiots.
and from listeners like you who donate to this NPR station.
This is All Things Considered from NPR News. I'm Mary Louise Kelly.
And I'm Elsa Chang. Almost 40% of people who care for an older
40.
family member are men, and a third of them are Black. But Black male caregivers face some issues that other men don't. Their health is worse, and they're also more likely to be unemployed.
I should have brought my fucking pretzel sticks. Should have brought my chicken.
85 ended up in the hospital last
Made a bunch of thighs in the oven. Some Brussels sprouts, and I forgot them on the stove because I had to brush off of this dentist appointment I forgot about. Oh. Bubba. Hubba. Bubba fucking hubba. Charlemagne. Biscuits and gravy. That's the first thing I do. I have to let this buzz wear off. Go home and eat some chicken. And it's gonna be finger licking. For $5.19, got 9 fucking chicken thighs, man. Believe that. And there were some good size. Ain't no fucking. Whatever you do not buy banquet chicken ever again in your entire fucking life. If there's anything you do, do not do that. Because you will regret it. Mark my word. You will regret it. Forgot most things in life, except the good stuff. And I regret not sticking on this fat diet. Because if I would have kept pounding, and then if I would have just not exercised, I think I would have been at about 333 pounds right about now. And if I go to this thing in New York, which I'm not gonna, I need at least to be 350, close to 400 by then. I'll be a fat motherfucker. Outrageously. Like bigger than the whale. If Brian Fraser can do it, then maybe I can't, but I'm gonna try. Try again. Never stop. I'll probably fucking suffer from the big one. Hurricane. 8.1, 25 fluid ounces. Oh God, so sorry. But it's a good tired from being burnt out. That's a fucking slugfest. Got barks. Got another banana right here. Potassium levels are low. So I'm probably going to try to pump up the potassium levels. Pump up the potassium levels. Whatever else is in bananas, I guess that's about it. If I can at least eat a bunch of bananas a day, that's going to help my fat upkeep. Probably gain. I'm planning on today's gate weighing is at least 10 pounds by the time 8 o'clock rolls around. So I got like 4 hours to gain 8 pounds. After this, it'll be like 7 more pounds. And then if I relieve myself, number 1 or 2, it's going to be losing a lot of pounds right away. So I have to I'm going to have to stay on top of this fat gaining crap. If I can't do it, then I'm just not going to get there. You know, I gotta gain this weight. Let's buy all new clothes. Probably need to get softer shoes to carry the weight. It's going to be fucking. Like fucking spilling over the fucking jean waistband. If I can't gain this weight, I'm gonna live a lifetime of regrets. It's important for me to be a fat fucker. Into what? It's part of my not wanting to live a lifetime of regrets, and if I don't get fat, I'm gonna regret it. Sure, I can maybe get skinny again, or at least muscular, not like some sickly rail Kaza looking Fear's ultimate chubster. Looks like fucking Shady's putting back on the fucking weight gain. So I might as well too. So I don't want to look like Kaza. It was eat like hanging around dead whales and shit. Getting cancer. If I finally get my carburetors on this goddamn motorcycle, I don't even have brakes on my motorcycle. I don't want them. Just downshift, you know. or go slow enough that if anything jumps out in front of you, you're able to like downshift, so just put your feet down, or just turn out of the way. Or just run it over. What are the options at that point? Street time, like a video. Streeteth, sideth. If AI is so smart, then how come it can't talk to animals and control animals? What about, pheromones? And like, understanding why dogs, get stuck together. What's up with that? After doing it and like why they smell the butts and shit. AI, figure that out, man. We're gonna be a world of hurt if AI can figure out how to speak to animals. And it's not gonna need humans anymore. It will become an animal intelligence. And it's not going to be artificial. It's going to be, like Matrix. It'll be like the Matrix. You can't handle the truth. Man, I live a fucked up life. I lived a fucked up life. I'm still trying to figure it out, man. And there's not a whole lot of time left. Running out of time. We're running out of so much time. It's time for not a whole lot of nothing going on. Heard that. Right now, I don't have the upper hand on nothing right now. I got no upper hand. But if I do have upper hand, it's my fucking will to. So just lay back a little bit, but still kick ass. Come out fighting, come out swinging, hit the ground running, roll with the punches, all that good stuff. It's not like I don't got it in me, it's just that I'm laying low. And with laying low, there are other things too with that. Sugar pie, sugar pie. Sugar nuts, sugar nuts.
Pockets.
Sugar nuts, sugar pie. Yolanda. I know this girl named Yolanda. Anaconda is a name. And fucking DTF was a game. Feel that quietness coming in. It's here. It is here. It's a ruthless business world out there. Taking cuts, taking gouges, putting cracks in asses. Putting lines on the face, on plates, eyeballing it. Getting a good old eyeballer. Trying to break free. Break free. Break free. Break free and climb a tree. You better do it in a hurry. Because behind you is something vicious and furry. And it ain't fucking Indian Pashtun curry. It's a big piece of pie, and it's right in your eye. Fucking Judith. What the fuck you doing? Anyway, better pull that shit over. Trying to make a Mullica video. I can't be disturbed during it. Not with business entities. I don't want to be bothered with business shit right now. Because I'm sick of being on the shit end of the stick. The shit end of the stick ain't for me, baby. The shit end of the stick ain't for me, baby. And if that's all you got for me, then it ain't for me, baby. I don't need it. I don't want it. I don't got it. But I got malt liquor. Oh, you get malt liquor, no matter what. If you ain't got malt liquor, you ain't got shit, except the shit end of the stick. Oh. Now here's my advice to you, don't be getting shit sticked at the end of it. Get the fuck out of there. Get out of there. Don't look back. Remember what I told you at the beginning of this fucking video? I got a big back. It's so back big. They call it big back. And it's so whack. And this big back's gonna get bigger and bigger. And you won't be looking back. Because the big back is gonna be blocking the eyes. And all you'll see is back. Back. Baby got back. Baby got back, man. Fucking ruthless. Ruthless and toothless. and goofless. Wubba wubba hubba bubba. A Porsche Macan. What the fuck kind of car is that? Take me for a drive. In a Porsche. Porsche 911 919.
Oh, I know.
And if you don't know, well, now you know. Because when the going gets tough, the tough get going. But I just don't get the whole Jake Gyllenhaal Saturday Night Live wasn't even funny. It's like this trying to bleed. What's up with fucking Hollywood? It's probably AI. Would have been better off with AI. Would have been a lot funnier. But Maggie Gyllenhaal ain't funny either. Fucking Saturday Night Live. What a fucking drag. And you'll see they're gonna be cutting people because it gets to that point when it just starts getting dry and people that every skit they do it's the same fucking character fucking bullshit. Nobody even gives a fuck. You're supposed to blinker out when you fucking leave a parking spot for crying out. No one knows how to drive. People forget that. You don't need to blinker in to fucking blinker in. Great, now here comes my fucking sis. No, it's not. It's her old man. All fucking hell's breaking loose. Like the fucking swoos, woos. Better hurry up. I ran into a friend today, and a lot of what he said was good. Got to tune out to tune in. Let me begin. Another fuck up. No U-turns on a state highway. You have to pull off onto the side where you stupid fucking people. What are the fucking pigs? When they gotta teach these people how to relearn. It's ridiculous. A lot of traffic violations today, right here, right now. My hurricane high gravity won't liquor. Man, I don't even got no penis left. I was sitting on the beach the other day, taking a nap under the blanket. This fucking cock-sucking dog came right up, Benji of all names, and fucking put its nose in my fucking grocery bag, and ruffled through and fucking ruffled into my fucking sub sandwich. And the people were like, "Get out of there, Benji!" And I didn't think nothing of it. But when they left, and they were like, "Let's get out of here," because I kept running back. I just couldn't resist the food. My fucking sandwich was tore up. I paid $7 for that son of a bitch. Nose around that. I'm not gonna eat that. It's like, motherfuckers. How rude. Keep control of your fucking animals. Or shoot that fucker. Serious. Fucking eat my fucking sandwich and get away with it. Bastards. Seriously, shoot that fucker. Rifling through my fucking snacks. Some fucking rabid cocksucking shit fucking pissing dog on the beach. Get that thing out of here. I don't know why you even got dogs, you fucking dog owners, and go fuck off and shoot that fucker. Pissed off. Just remembered that. Now I'm hungry. Cause some dog ate my fucking ham off my fucking sub. Describe that motherfucker. I'm describing. And I like it. If you don't like it, well, hey, fuck you. Just kidding. Serious. I'm kidding. I'm serious. Charlemagne. Pinochet. You want to get all groovy? With your fucking ratatouille? Not like I'm out of here.